No.1丨Our Trading Company Limited, located in Jiamen City, specialized in designing and manufacturing tactical and outdoor sports apparels since 2015. We have factories based in China. Our warehouses located both in China and America. Our mission is to help your brand succeed. We have more than 10 years experiences on clothing customization. We will efficiently design and make samples according to your requirements. You can either use our current styles or custom with your creative ideas, from the fabrics, logos, wash labels, to pockets, zipper heads, patches, and packaging, etc. Together with more than 200 team members and highly educated engineers, we design 100 new styles with Chenji fabrics. Our goods cover a full range outdoor, sports, and tactical clothes for both men and women. We produce and export 8 million pieces clothes every year. You are also welcome to buy our ready inventory on No.1丨Our. Various colors and fast delivery will help you win in the market. We attach great importance to quality control. We do 100% inspection on each clothes before shipment, and our dedicated consultants will provide personal order tracing service, keeping you updated on the latest order status. Our products are widely praised in the American and European markets. You can always trust our performance and services. We can make your brand outstanding